Welcome back, everybody. My name is Jake Gallen here with Emblem Vault, and today I'm going to teach you how to unlock your Stacks assets from an Emblem Vault and bring them back to self-custody. So here we go. Here we are with the Punk Donut all over again. And you can see here in the vault, we have one Stacks and then we have one Punk Donut. The Stacks is so that you have some transaction fees when we do import it to another wallet. Then you could go take it, send it to another wallet, maybe your main wallet, or you just want to send it somewhere else so that it's with all of your other assets. So it's pretty simple what you do. You just go down to unlock vault, get private keys, and you're going to pay a gas transaction. And right here, the transaction is $9 at 24 Gwei. So nothing too crazy. And you'll see down here, it says claiming and then claiming your vault. And what this is doing is it's burning the NFT. So you will see the owner address change to 0x000, which is the null address, which can also be displayed on OpenSea and some of the other marketplaces in the transaction history. So we see here now that it's burned, it's claimed. So this NFT cannot be transferred at all for the rest of its history. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna get the private keys. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna display the mnemonic phrase as well as the private keys. And of course here it's gonna be blurred out because I don't want you to steal anything, right? So safety first. And for this example, I actually downloaded the desktop. You can use any Stacks wallet that you prefer. You can use Haro Wallet, Xverse, anything that you want, whatever you feel is the best. I'm using Haro for this example. So we're going over and press I already have a wallet, and we're going to paste in the secret key, which you cannot see. And then I'm going to type in my own password, and then you're just going to sit and wait. And after it's done, you'll see it display. So there we are, one Stacks, and then the NFT is in here as well. And you could go to view it on the Explorer, and you can see right here, right? One collectible and one STX. And then from there, you can see here, right? That's all of my transaction history. So if you go back over to Haro and you browse through the wallet, then you know that you did it right? Because everything's showing. And then from there, you could go do whatever you want. And again, any Stacks wallet that you prefer is where you can import it to. And if you have an error, if you take the mnemonic phrase and you go import it to a wallet, there's some sort of error, you could go import that private key into any wallet and you're good to go. And you'll have some of your assets back in self-custody. So thanks again, and we'll see you guys next time.